Hello! In this video, we'll be looking into another crucial way users can view and alter data in your game. Reverse engineering the compile code of your build. This here is called ILSpy, an open source .NET assembly browser and decompiler. This tool is commonly used for debugging purposes, but if you're not careful, it can also be used to decompile the entire code of your game. In this particular case, because the game was developed for Android, I'm going to first need to decompile the APK file with an APK decompiler tool. This breaks down the file and its core assets and assemblies. Then, with the files ready, I now just need to open ILSpy through Visual Studio, like so, and then compile it so I can use its interface. Once I know which assembly to look at, it's just a matter of opening these brackets, and with the entire code open, I can even investigate further and find sensitive data that can potentially be a security breach, like the API key as displayed here. And of course, as a side note, you should never include your API key in the source code to begin with. Instead, the API key should be used from your own server or microservice, such as PlayFab or Beamable. One way to solve this issue is what's called code obfuscation. This is commonly done through a third-party software or a precompiler. Notice how in this particular build of the game, now with the code obfuscated, it's completely unreadable. Even though it seems like code obfuscation solves most issues regarding information security, it's still important to remember that sensitive data should always be stored at server level. In fact, if possible, the more game logic you can keep at server level, the better, especially games that are turn-based. When your game logic runs locally, data manipulation can always happen live, regardless of source code access. Overall, just remember that code obfuscation is a cat and mouse game, where hackers are always looking for ways to reverse engineer games and lockpick obfuscation patterns. I hope this video has helped you get started on the subject. Of course, this is an extensive topic, and the best way to learn how to protect your data is research. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.